This summer, Camp Galileo has 3 captivating themes to spark campers' imagination and develop their powers of innovation. Get ready to explore America's most spectacular spaces on our National Parks adventure. In art, you'll fold and mold a low-poly 3D mask inspired by your favorite Yellowstone animal. In science, you'll create a custom, wearable, rigid-frame backpack for your next journey into the wild. Lace up your trainers and get ready for Galileo Olympic Games. In art, you'll print a custom owl t-shirt inspired by the game's ancient Greek roots. In science, you'll create a pneumatic-powered Judo Robot that can grapple with other robots. Step into the Galileo workshop and embrace your inner toy maker. In science, you'll engineer a tabletop pinball machine with flippers, targets, and a motorized spinner. In art, you'll enhance your pinball machine with a hand-painted back glass that lights up. And each week, you'll spend a third of your day outdoors playing fun, theme-based games. What will you create this summer?